Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize and rearrange your home screen in the Samsung Galaxy M04. So, at the start, if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on your display and choose one of these options. Now we are going to show you the wallpaper and style. The changing it wallpaper is a little bit obvious, just do it here. Select your desired wallpaper and click next. That's it. But the most useful tip is changing the color palette. This is the color of your system. How you can see it, the green top menu icons, the accent in the settings. Just enable a color palette, choose one of them or just a basic color like this little pink, click apply, and now the settings should be pink in one moment. That's it, this is how it works. Okay, the next one, themes working exactly the same like the wallpapers, so the widgets. Just look for the app that you want to add a widget and expand it. Choose the widget and hold the finger on it. Now just drop into the desired place. If you want to resize it, just use that little edge. If you want to remove it, hold the finger again, choose remove. That's it. The next one, tip, if you want to change your home screen grid to change the amount of the apps in the rows and columns, just click the home screen grid and select one of them. If you already click done, that's it. And the last one, making a folders. If you want to make any folder, just hold it up, drop onto another. Oops, sorry, a little bit misclick. Open it to change the settings of the folder. You can change the name here, change the color, like this one. You can also add more apps by clicking plus and selecting it. Just click done, that's it. If you want to remove the folder, just take all of the apps, take out to the home screen back. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.